Namaste children. You learnt now many algebraic identities. So all the formulae what you have learnt I have written here. In which form it is written, see, left hand side all I have written algebraic expressions. If you see right hand side it is a in factorized form. See, you learnt the formula like a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. But I have written here a square plus 2ab plus b square is equals to a plus b whole square, which is equal to a plus b of a plus b. Why all the things I have written like this? We can use these algebraic identities to factorize the given algebraic expressions. That is the main concept here. Okay. So, factorization is a very important concept. In the first two exercise, using remainder theorem and factor theorem, you factorize even cubic degree polynomials. Now, using algebraic identities up to third degree polynomials, we are going to factorize. So, your main aim is if any algebraic expression is given, you should check it is in which form. Suppose if it is a second degree polynomial, second degree expression, you should check is it in the form of a square minus b square. If it is in the form of a square minus b square, we are going to use the identity a plus a square minus b square is equals to a plus b of a minus b. If it is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square, then we will try to write a plus b into a plus b form, that is a plus b whole square. Same for minus. Similarly for cubic degree also. Okay. So, if the question is factorize, first you should check, see from 8th class onwards you are learning factorization. So, first you have to check whether you will be able to take anything common outside, is finding HCF. That is the first form, taking the common factor outside, then grouping the terms. Okay. If that is not possible, then go for formula form. Any formula method is it following. Okay. And third degree polynomial also you can check with the formula form. If it is very big third degree polynomial, that is a third degree of having 6 terms, 7 terms like that means, then you can go with remainder theorem or factor theorem also. Okay. It is, see, we can try even, see here, it will not go like 6, 7 terms because x cube term, x square term, x term, constant term, if it is in one variable x. If it is in two variables, you will learn afterwards all these things. What is homogeneous expression, what is a algebraic expressions of say third degree in two variables, all those things. It is little higher level, but as far as now you know, you can do the, you can factorize the given algebraic expressions with the help of splitting of middle term by grouping and taking the common term outside, using algebraic identities or by remainder theorem, factor theorem, like that. Okay. So, some examples, some problems I will solve now with the help of algebraic identities. How can we factorize the given algebraic expression? And in this one more thing also I left, one more is there also for your formula, x square plus a plus b of, that is only splitting of middle term formula. So, how you will write, that is like if it is given like x square plus a plus b of x plus ab, then we can write this one as x plus a of x plus b, right? Okay. That is only splitting of middle term form. Shall we solve now the problems? Now check the first one. Try 1x square minus, I will give time, at that time you can copy the formula children. First listen the class. X square minus 225y square. So, problem number 1. Is this a perfect square 81? Yes. You can write it as 9x whole square. So, this is 9x whole square minus 225 is 15y. This is also perfect square. So, it is in the form of a square minus b square. So, the formula a plus b of a minus b. So, I can write this one as 9x plus 15y of 9x minus 15y. So, we did, factorization is done. The given algebraic expression was written as product of two terms. Coming to second one. Now, second problem you check, it is given a square minus b minus 8 of a minus 8b. Try to take, see, first multiply it and try to group it so that whether HCF can be taken. Any HCF is there for the terms, we can take common outside. A square minus AB, B into A, AB, minus into minus plus 8A. Next last term is minus 8B. So now I will try to group. No need of grouping also, I can take directly. From these two terms, let me take A common outside. I will get A minus B. From these two terms, 8 common, A minus B. Now again this A minus B can be taken, this is 8th class syllabus, you have done this one. So A minus B can be taken outside, left over is A plus 8. So again we factorized, right? What we have done? We took that A minus B again outside common. So when A minus B is taken, here leftover term is A. Here 8. Next. Coming to third problem. See, in problem number 3, okay, let me do here only. I will do 4th and 5th here. 49x square plus 9y square plus 42xy. So we can see this first term is a perfect square. So I can write this one as 7x whole square plus 9y square is 3y whole square plus, now try, this is a square. See, here while writing I wrote like a square plus 2ab plus b square, but the problems are given like, okay, in that form also we can write the formula. So we can write the formula in the form of, first a square term, then b square term, then 2ab term. In the same way here also we can write this one a square plus b square minus 2ab. So generally they are giving in this form also, same, okay, cubic degree while coming I will discuss. Okay, yeah. Now 7x whole square. So now this is a square term, this is b square term. Now from these two, what will be the 2ab term? 2 into my a is 7x and b 3y. So what is this term should be? 2 7s are 14, 14 3s are 42, right? Yes. So 42xy should be my third term. Yes, it is there. So the given expression now can be written as, it is in the form of a square plus 2ab with b whole square 7x plus 3y whole square, which is equal to 7x plus 3y of 7x plus 3y, right? Okay. Now say fourth one. Fourth problem, x square plus 25x plus 144. First one it is the first formula, splitting of middle term. X square we have to find factors for 144 to get the middle term 25. See, finding the factors in many ways you can do. Now 144 I can do the prime factorization. 7 2s are 14, 72. Now again 2, 36. Again 2, 18. Now 2, 9 times 3, 3. So you can write this 144 as 2 into 2 into 2 into how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4 2s into 3 into 3. Now try to group this one as a 2 terms. Okay. So how can you group to get 25 here? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are, suppose if I will group like this you think 8. Now this is one group. 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. So 3 3s are 9. 18 and 8, whether I will act, I will not. Here this is positive, this is positive. So when I add only I should get this 25, 2 terms. So this grouping is wrong, because if I will add I am getting 26, it is not correct. Now because 3 3s are 9, 18 this one, and this is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 18 plus 8 is not a 25. So it is 26, right? Okay. Now other way, how can we group? Even you try. You can message if you are getting. I will try with 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 2 2s are 4 here. Yeah, 12 12s are, no, that also will not come. So now I can group, try to group like this. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 as one term, 3 3s are 9, 16 plus 9, 25. Okay. See, you got used with finding the factors like 2 into 72 first, 3 into, it will go in even 3 table. So like this you have done before, but this is applicable, it is easy when you are having small numbers. But when the numbers are becoming big, you should try to do like this. Okay. So now the factors are 16 and 9. Okay. So, and the coefficient of x square is 1 here. So, we can write directly like how the formula is given there. So, how the formula is given there? X square, and middle term you are writing a plus b of x, that is x square plus you got the factors as 16 and 9. Okay, let me write the question once. X square plus 144. So, you got the factor 16 and 9. So, this can be written as x square plus 16 plus 9 of x plus 16 into 9. So, it is in the form of x square plus a plus b of x plus ab. So, which is nothing but x plus 16 of x plus 9. Right? Okay. Now, it is same only, splitting of middle term only. Previously, you used to do 16x plus 9x, then you will take common outside like that. But directly we can use the formula, provided here the coefficient of x square is 1. Coming to here, so we need factors, fifth problem. X square minus 8x plus 15. 5 3s are, so simple here. This is positive, but middle term is negative. So, to get this one as positive and this middle is negative means both the terms should be negative for you. So, minus 5 minus 3 will get minus 8. So, the factorization form is x minus 5 of x minus 3. If you want, you can write one step in between. How can write in between step? X square minus 5 plus or minus 5, outside plus sign you keep, minus 5 minus 3 of x, then plus minus 5 into minus 3. So, it is the form of x square a plus b. A is minus 5, b is minus 3. X plus a into b. Therefore, this is the answer. So, just I have written this step. It is not necessary also. After getting the factors, you can write directly. Okay. So, first copy all the formulae, children, all those algebraic identities, then copy these 5 problems. Okay. Copy it now. Now, sixth problem, 6x square plus 19x plus 15. Fifth problem and sixth problem, if you see, in problem number 5, the coefficient of x square is 1. Now, the coefficient of x square is not 1. So, splitting of middle term, 6x square plus 19x plus 15. You have to find the factors for sixth problem, 6 into 15. Okay. So, again I am telling, please do not multiply. See, if you want to go by the previous methods, how you used to find out the factors, how you will do? 5 6 are 30, carrying 1, 6 1s are 6 plus 3, 90. For 90, you will start writing 2 into 45, 3 into 30, right? 5 into 1 time, how much it will come? 40, 18. Like this, you should start writing and you will check which factor will give like that, right? Now, what I am telling, instead of that, I can even write 6 into this one as 6 1s are 13 times, no 13, 6 times, right? And 10 into 9. So, you can say 10 into 9, 10 plus 19 is a factor. Now, for this problem, it is easy, you got it. But even though the another method, again I am telling, please try to listen. This one do not multiply, right? 2 into 3 and 5 into 3. 5 3s are 15. Now, try to group this one. In what way you can group to get this 19? When you add those terms, okay? So, I will group it like 2 5s are 10 as one group, 3 3s are 9. So, the factors are 10 into 9 like this, okay? So, try to practice this method more and more, because this product is sure the 90 only will come. Addition is now 19. So, 6x square plus 10x plus 9x plus 15, common taking outside, I can take 2x outside. So, we will get 3x plus 5. So, we should try for same 3x plus 5 you should get here, so that I can take common outside. So, here 3 I can take, 3 3s are 9x, 3 5s are 15. So, again this 3x plus 5 can be taken common outside. So, 3x plus 5 of 2x plus 3. So, we factorized, no? So, we factorized sixth one. Now, seventh problem. 7 minus 17x minus 12x square. So, first arrange arrange and write properly. 7 minus 17x minus 12x square. First always write the coefficient, that is x square term. So minus 12x square, it is negative sign, minus 17x plus 7. Now you need the factors for minus 12 into 7. Minus 12 into 7. So try to split, 7 cannot be split further. 12 can be written as 4 into 3, negative sign is there. At present I will keep the negative sign here, we will see, into 7. Now the middle term is 17 here, right? Shall I split 4 still? We can write this one as 2 into 2. Okay, now the factors, is it 7 3s are 21 and 2 2s are 4? Yeah, same 4 also we can write. So here 4 into. So 21 minus 4. No, it will not come. 1 second children. This is 2 into 2 here. I will write 2 into 2 only. 6, 7 2s are, any mistake I have done? 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 7 there. So 2 7s are 14 and 6, no, it will not come. 6 and minus 14 and 6, that will I tried first. Yeah, 21 and 4 only, correct, beginning what I said only, correct. Okay, 21 and 4. So where you should give the negative sign? Middle term is negative for you. So give the bigger number as negative. So minus 21 and 4, the two terms. So now from here I am going to write splitting. Minus 12x square minus 21x plus 4 plus 4x plus 7. So from these two what we can take common outside? See, if you arrange and it is, okay fine. I will take negative sign first outside. I can take 3x outside, HCF 3x. So I will get here 4x minus, not minus, plus, because I took negative sign outside. So same 4x plus 7 only is there here. So 1 is outside, meaning 1 HCF. So 4x plus 7 of 1 minus 3x. So we factorized minus 3x plus 1. So I wrote that one as 1 minus 3x. Okay children. Now 8th problem onwards you see, it is a cube plus b cube formula. 8th problem is 27 is a perfect square? Yes, sorry, perfect cube. So I can write 27 as 3a whole cube. 125x cube is 5x whole cube. So now it is in the form of a cube plus b cube. Formula there, a cube plus b cube, this one. A plus b of a square minus ab plus b square. A plus b. Here a is 3a. 3a plus 5x of a square, 3a whole square, 9a square, 3a whole square, 9a square. Don't write it is 3a square, you should square it always the numeral part also. So 9a square, 3a square, sorry, 9a square term. Next minus ab. So minus 3a into 5x, 3 5s are 15. 15ax plus b square plus 25x square. So we factorized. It is a product of two terms. Can you say similarly 9th one? It is similar to this one, the only difference is negative sign. 216 is perfect cube? Yes. So we can write that first part as, okay, the question is 216x cube. So I can write 216 as 6x whole cube. 6x whole cube, and 64 is perfect cube. I can write it as 4y whole cube, and in between negative sign. Which formula? A cube minus b cube formula. A minus b of a square plus ab plus b square. So using that formula, a minus b of 6x minus 4y of a square, 6x whole square, 36x square plus ab plus 6x into 4y, 24xy plus b square, 4y whole square, 16y square. So we factorized this. Fine. Last one I am doing here, 10th problem. m power 7 plus m power 4. Can I take m power 4 common outside? So if I take m power 4 is HCF for you. So m power 4 I took outside. So here I will get m cube. Am I right? Plus 1. 1 is again 1 cube. Okay. So m cube plus 1 cube. M power 4 is outside. M cube plus 1 cube. A cube plus B cube formula again. M plus 1 of A plus B of A square minus AB minus m into 1 plus B square. Now this is a perfect factorization. So you should factorize completely